Choice of law in Illinois. Prenuptial agreements. When preparing for a wedding, discussing a prenuptial agreement might not be the most romantic part. However, the legal benefits of a prenuptial agreement are invaluable, especially if a marriage ends in divorce. In Illinois, incorporating a choice of law provision into a prenuptial agreement can help ensure that Illinois law is applied if the agreement needs to be enforced. This can provide clarity and protection for both parties. The legal perspective. Illinois prenuptial agreements. In Illinois, prenuptial agreements are legally recognized as premarital agreements. These agreements are governed by the Illinois Premarital Agreement Act. This law allows prospective spouses to enter into an agreement regarding their financial rights and obligations, should the marriage dissolve. The agreement becomes effective upon marriage and can cover aspects such as the division of property, maintenance, commonly known as alimony, and other financial arrangements. The law favors enforcing these agreements unless they are deemed involuntary or unconscionable at the time of execution. Courts in Illinois tend to uphold the validity of prenuptial agreements, emphasizing the importance of clarity and fairness during their creation. It's also important to remember that an Illinois prenuptial agreement must follow the specific laws of the state to ensure enforceability. Why you should consider an Illinois prenuptial agreement. A prenuptial agreement can bring clarity to both parties and help avoid uncertainty during a divorce. When an agreement includes a clause that specifies Illinois law will be applied, it can create stability and predictability in divorce proceedings. This is particularly important since Illinois does not automatically divide assets equally during a divorce, but rather divides them equitably, considering the unique circumstances of each case. Prenuptial agreements are binding in Illinois unless the agreement is found to be unconscionable or was not voluntarily signed. For example, if one spouse did not receive adequate disclosure of the other spouse's financial assets, this could be grounds for invalidating the agreement. However, agreements that include a disclosure waiver clause are generally unbreakable in Illinois, making it wise to include such provisions. What is a choice of law clause? A choice of law clause within a prenuptial agreement allows both parties to decide which state's law will govern the interpretation and enforcement of the agreement. In Illinois, these clauses are typically upheld by courts. If you plan to move or have ties to multiple states, having a prenuptial agreement that includes an Illinois choice of law provision ensures that Illinois law will be applied even if the divorce occurs outside of Illinois. If a prenuptial agreement does not include a choice of law clause, the laws of the state where the divorce is filed will typically apply. This can lead to unpredictability, as divorce laws vary significantly from state to state. Therefore, including a choice of law provision is a critical component for those who want to secure their financial future with the protections afforded by Illinois law. Protect yourself with a well-designed prenuptial agreement to ensure your prenuptial agreement is enforceable and provides the protection you need. It is crucial to work with an experienced attorney who understands Illinois family law. By drafting a comprehensive agreement that includes provisions for choice of law and disclosure waivers, you can safeguard your assets and minimize legal complications in the event of a divorce. A solid prenuptial agreement not only offers financial protection but also allows both parties to enter into the marriage with a clearer understanding of their rights and obligations. This transparency can foster trust and lead to more open communication about financial matters. For assistance with creating a prenuptial agreement, or for guidance on family law matters, contact our law firm today. Our attorneys can help you navigate the complexities of Illinois family law and ensure your prenuptial agreement is properly executed. Call us today at 773-334-6311 or visit our office at 1165 North Clark Street, number 700, Chicago, Illinois, 60610, United States, for expert legal assistance tailored to your needs.